Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. It is finally time, you guys, to decorate for Halloween. Even though it is still hot, it doesn't feel like it's time, but I am ready. It is going to be October tomorrow, and so it is time to decorate. No matter how hot or cold it is, I'm going to go ahead and do it. And I got some new decorations for this year, so I'm really excited to show you guys. All I'm going to do is clean and decorate for Halloween, and then I will do all the holidays that come after Halloween. So I'm very excited to start doing all these because I love doing these videos and I love decorating and cleaning. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you guys the decorations and then we will decorate. So here is my one tub that I've allowed myself to have, just the one. Although I do have some more stuff that's not going to fit in here, so I don't know if I need to get rid of more stuff or what I'm gonna do, but I do have some new decorations this year. Very cute stuff from Dollar Tree. And then some stuff from Michael's. It's probably my favorite thing of all. I absolutely love this. How cool is this decoration? Let's go ahead and get started, you guys.